Hey guys, I am Mridula and I make food related content. If you guys enjoy watching such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I said that I make food related content, but this video particularly is not going to be about any food. It is going to be about me. As I've read by the title, I am going to tell you guys why am I into eating high protein and why do I have such a healthy lifestyle. I just spoke about this in bits and pieces in some of my videos, but I felt like I need to make a full-fledged video for people who are going to come across my channel. If there is a feature, like some sort of feature in which you can pin your videos, then I might just pin this video for people who will come to this YouTube channel and they should know context about why I make, like why is 80% of my page have content around high protein and healthy stuff. So today we're going to do that and also introduce, because oh my god, I've posted so many videos and crazy how I have not introduced myself to you guys for even once. But I know why I haven't done that, because I am an introvert, okay, a very big introvert. I just cannot do this is the moment I thought that I want to do content. The most scariest part for me was being in front of the camera and all of that. So that is the reason why initially I started with making content with just food, showing just food, and then gradually I picked on to do voiceovers. And then once I got comfortable with voiceovers, then I showed myself on the camera, not speaking, just me on camera. And then finally I started with me talking in front of the camera. So yeah, now that I've gotten so open and don't feel any sort of consciousness or anything in front of the camera, I can introduce myself to you guys. So I am Mridula. You must know that, because like my intro has my name in it. I start my intro with "Hi guys, I am Mridula." Blah, blah. So of course, at this point, you should know my name if you guys watch my videos, if you guys have seen my previous videos. And I am a 20-year-old and I am at my last year of college. I am a bachelor's in computer applications. I don't know what you will do with this information, but yes, I'm doing that. And simultaneously, I also make content. I have this Instagram page, of course, YouTube as well, but mainly Instagram. I post regularly on Instagram. I post about healthy and high protein recipes. So yeah, that's about me. That's what I'm doing. I'm an introvert, as I said. And let me just take you back to my early teenage and my mid teenage. I'm 20 right now, so my teenagers are done. So let me just take you back to how my teenagers were, because that has what led me to eating high protein and healthy. So for most part, I would say for my entire teenage, I was into playing sports. I absolutely loved sports. At this point in my life as well, workouts are a very essential part of my life, and I work out very regularly, literally 6 times a week. So you can guess by that how much I was into playing sports, and I'm still am. If someone still asks me, or if I have to get some time out of my routine that I have right now, I would just take that time and play a sport, because that's how much I love sports and all. Specifically cricket. For my major part of my teenage years, I played cricket and I loved my time. It was the best years of my life, but due to injuries and a lot of circumstances that happened, did not lead me into pursuing the sport professionally. But one thing that stayed from that sport was me having a very good life. When you're an athlete, you need to be really good with what you're having. You need to just have a balanced diet, because of course your body needs to recover and you need to perform well every time. Sports is not just on field. Every time you're out of the field, you need to take care and you need to be aware of the fact that you play a sport. And as an athlete, I had a lifestyle where I had to have healthy and high protein stuff regularly. Like every meal had to be nutrition enough that would help me perform well when I was in field. So parallelly, like this entire teenage, I would not just say teenage, but since childhood, I've always loved food, okay? Always. Parallelly, I've always loved food with whatever I was doing. I was doing sports, but parallelly, I always shared the same love that I had for sports with food. And when I say that I was eating healthy, when I was eating high protein and all of that, that does not mean that I was eating boring, because as I mentioned that I loved food. So I kept making food for myself which tasted banging, and along with that I was able to maintain my lifestyle that is required for an athlete to have. So I realized that when I left the sport, I realized that if not the sport, then of course I want to do something in the F&B part, which is the food part. And I realized that I've always loved watching food creators, and I love the way I love everything. I love the entire process of food creation. I mean, the creators making food, developing recipes, curating, thinking about food and how they want to present and everything. And then I personally realized that I have this advantage where I make food. I can make amazing food while it being healthy and high protein, okay? And it tasted like everything tasted so amazing. So I thought that the best thing that I could possibly do is I love creating content. I make amazing food and I consume high protein and healthy food. So I completely skipped on the path that I had to have an amazing lifestyle because of my sport. But then when I stopped playing the sport, I continued to eat high protein and healthy because I realized that when I just left that lifestyle of not having a balanced meals, I realized that I used to feel this fatigue. It was not just physical fatigue but also mental fatigue, which really affected a lot of things. It honestly affects a lot of things, your concentration, your focus, your energy spans and everything. And I realized that very early on. And again, when I got back to eating like right, which is high protein and healthy and nutritionally balanced and all of that, I realized that I just regained myself, the person which I was before, the one who was physically very active and never felt like very fatigue or dizzy or very fatigue or unusual weakness during the day, which I felt after I left, after I completely stopped having that. So I realized that and I switched on to high protein and healthy. Then coming back to why I started creating content again, because I parallelly loved food. I absolutely enjoyed watching creators like food content creators and the way content is created around food. So I thought that let me just give this a try. If not sports, then I had to do something. And I always loved food creation. And then my background being the advantage for me, which is high protein and healthy. Everybody is making like normal food. There are too many creators, and when people say that content creation market is saturated, it is real, okay? The creators who are making content now can completely relate to it. There are too many creators speaking about how it is not saturated and you can make content. It's just about if you're passionate, then you can make career in whatever. Yeah, I agree to the fact that you can make career in anything if you're passionate, but we cannot just disagree to the fact that is which is true, which is this market has gotten very saturated, and the creators who are making content now can clearly tell that, because now I'm making content. It is going to be a year of me making content. This next month maybe would be a year of me making content, and I must say that the market is extremely saturated, be it YouTube, be it Instagram. Like there are a lot of people who are making content at this point, so you have to be something different. And for me, what stood out was making content around healthy and high protein, and yet being very similar to the food creators who make like normal food content which is not healthy and high protein. What I mean by that is making content that looks extremely aesthetic, okay? Because I've realized that people who make content around high protein and healthy don't really care about how the way it looks, because they feel like the value in their content is not the food but the nutrition. But what was a differentiator for me was I made sure that, okay, nutrition is an advantage of the particular content that I am posting, but it's also the way my content looks. I've realized that literally nobody was doing it. Now that the market has gotten so saturated and people have to do unique stuff and all of that, and they have to stand out. I've seen people who are making healthy and high protein as well, doing very like taking care of the aesthetics of the video. Guess it's at the moment people are making sure that they do that. But initially when I started with doing it like a year ago, there were very few creators who made sure of the aesthetics of the video, who were doing high protein and healthy. Oh my god, I literally spoke so much, and guess what, I did not wear my mic. It's okay, now I'm going to continue with not wearing my mic. So yeah, I took that particular thing as my unique differentiator and started to make content in this particular thing. And of course, I made sure that I made content similar to the creators who were not making healthy and high protein. So people who wanted to have healthy and high protein really got interested by the way I was making content, and that gave me a lot of attention, I feel. But then really, you if you want to be in the content creation game for a longer period of time, you need to not just stick to aesthetics or how do I explain, you cannot just know one thing. You have to know multiple things. You have to provide value across different parts, and you can just not know one thing and create content at this point. That I've realized very early on. I mean, 2 months into making content, and I realized that you cannot just make one type of content and expect people to follow you and be there for you and build a community around whatever you want. For me, I want to particularly build a community around healthy and high protein that tastes amazing. And my content should be which I want. Okay, I want my content to be remembered, or me to be remembered, as someone who makes food that tastes amazing, plus it's nutritionally balanced. So yeah, this was an introduction about me and why do I make content around high protein and healthy, and why do I have a healthy and high protein lifestyle. We'll talk about more of these things. And if you guys loved watching this video, which was me just sitting and talking to you guys, then please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to do such sit down videos. We can talk about anything. We can talk about anything. We can talk about recipes. We can talk about what you want. We can talk about anything. Okay. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed watching this, and if you enjoyed watching this, did you enjoy watching me introduce myself to you? Did you enjoy that? I don't know if you enjoyed this, but there's amazing content that I can make and you can enjoy. It will be, of course, always around high protein and healthy 80%. And as a human being, I also love normal food. So 20% can be content which is not around high protein and healthy, but around food. This page is all about food related content. Okay. At the end of the day, there's nothing, okay, not even me. It's just food here. So yeah, you can just follow me. You can just prefer subscribing to this channel if food is something that you relate on, because I do. So if you do, then please do subscribe. That's it. Go follow me on Instagram if you're into eating high protein and healthy and want to have this healthy high protein lifestyle, which of course everybody wants to. Then go follow me, because I post content every day on that page. It's mostly high protein recipes. 5 to 7% of content may be around just healthy, but mostly it's high protein recipes. So if you are into high protein recipes, then go follow. I'll just add the link of my Instagram in the description. You can go follow, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one.